So let's use Azure AI Search to search image embeddings. So, first I set up connections to the Azure AI Search, and then I create a search index for the images. And this one, the embedding field is going to have dimensions of 1024 to match the model that I'll be using. And the model is the Azure Computer Vision Multi-Modal Embeddings API. And it can create vector embeddings of images and also of text. So what we can do is for each of the images that I have locally, we can compute an embedding for the image file itself. And then we can upload that to our AI search index. So we'll upload the file name and then the embedding. So this takes a little bit of time to compute all those embeddings, so I've already done it for this demo. Now that it's all in the index, I can start querying. So I have query images separate from the ones that are in the index. So I'm gonna, take a look at this query image. So here's the query image. This is an image of a wooden candle holder that I made when I was living in the woods and lived next to a lot of beautiful pieces of bark. And I am going to search my index for related pictures using that vector embedding. So first I take that image and I get the query vector for it. And then I tell AI Search that I want to do a vector search on that embedding field. And I can see the 3 closest vectors and I can see their file names. And the file name seems similar, but we're not actually searching on the file name. We're searching on the image embedding. So let's take a look and see what this image actually looks like. So we can open up and see that in fact it is the same, it's the same object. This one is just, with a lit candle and at night. So here you can see the power of image embeddings is that it easily found pictures of the same thing, just in different settings, just based off that embedding. Now let's try searching by text, because we can go ahead and take a string of text like Lion King, turn that into a vector embedding with the same embedding model, and use that to search our image embeddings. So let's see what we find when we search. Okay, well, we can see some file names there, but once again, what matters is what do the images look like? And what we can see as the first result is a wood burning that says Hakuna Matata. Now remember, it didn't actually search on the file names, it searched on the images. So it realized that in its embedding space that the phrase Lion King is related to Hakuna Matata, which is, of course, a phrase from the movie The Lion King. So it's very impressive what can be encoded in a multimodal embedding space and how you can use it for vector search.